Cookie Monster cloud bread. First up, you need 3 egg whites. Whisk these until frothy. Then add 30 grams of granulated sugar and 10 grams of corn flour and whisk to form stiff peaks. Add your blue food colouring or whatever colour you wish and whisk again until fully combined. Grab some broken Oreos and fold these gently into the mix, do not overmix. Spoon the mix onto a lined baking tray, smoothing it into a dome shape, then bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. As soon as it comes out, it's ready to eat.
Tag a coffee lover who needs these Love You a Latte whips from Marks and Spencer's. I love the flavour of the coffee mallow inside, and it has caramel which complements it nicely. Definitely recommend if you love coffee.
The word chocolate chips a brand new meaning, and you only need 2 things to do it. You're going to melt some chocolate in the top of a double boiler until completely melted and smooth. You're going to get some potato chips, preferably with ridges and a little bit of salt, and you're going to dump the potato chips into the melted chocolate until each of them is completely coated. You keep going until you have them all done. You're going to let them...
Let's make a Twix slice with just 5 ingredients, and there's no bacon involved. Crush up digestive biscuits in a food processor or use a bag and rolling pin. Then mix with carnation caramel and melted butter. Chop up 350 grams of Twix bars, then fold 200 grams into the mix. Press it into a baking tin, then melt milk chocolate in the microwave. Pour it over the base and smooth it out. Top with the remaining Twix pieces and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Slice it up and that's it. It's so crunchy and caramelly. Enjoy!